Hi dear friend, this is Lisa from Crownwin Package.
Hi dear friend, this is Cassie from Crownwin Package.
Today we will show some folded magnet box for you.
Yes, see this one. It is a folding magnetic box with the ribbon, and the logo is gold foil, and these two sides also is gold paper. When we open the box, it is look like this. It is flat, and we also can gold foil logo in the box inside. See this.
Yes, and here is this one. Also a folded magnet box. You can see this box with so many gold foil parts. Here, square, square, and square, 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 square. And especially this logo. It's very shiny and looks very luxury. And the design is pink marble design. If you are interested in these boxes, please feel free to contact us. See you later.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.